Let's chat with Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, to give us greater insight on some of the trades that you could be looking at as far as that's concerned. Manisha, hi. Tell us about the impact that Mario Draghi's comments from last evening are having on the commodity side of the market.
Well, thank you for that, Megha. The markets have been building positions ahead of Draghi's statement yesterday, and while he did give out everything, most of that is something that the markets had already factored in, and that is the reason you haven't seen a run-up happen in most of them. You actually have seen some profit taking after that build-up on positions that you had seen. So the gold prices, which did touch a level of 1712 in the markets yesterday, are trading just about 1690 at this point in time. And same is the case with the crude prices as well. Markets had factored in everything that Draghi had to say, and that's the reason you haven't seen too much of a reaction. It actually is the FOMC meeting now, and what could come in from that one is what would tell you much to happen. Because even though as Draghi has given you an unlimited bond buying program, he also has mentioned that there would be austerity, that the global slowdown would continue by till 2013 end. So all these factors really not working too much in favor of all of these commodities. So how do you tailor all of that? For that, let's go across to Hitesh Jain from IFL, and he joins us live on the show. Hitesh, hi, welcome. What's your sense coming in for the gold prices now? While the Indian markets are now talking about 35,000 kind of levels till the time Diwali comes, what's your sense looking into the gold prices globally and at home?
See, in the near term post ECB event, the focus shifts to the September 12, wherein Federal Reserve is expected to pull a rabbit out of the hat. The food for thought here remains whether the recent words are translated into action. But we would like to bet on the hope that any kind of stimulus is coming in the offing. So we would like to buy gold in the near term at 31,280 with a target of 31,500 and a stop loss of 31,120.
Hitesh, also what's your sense coming in for the crude prices? Because this would be the first weekly decline that we are seeing in last 6 weeks. Do you think markets are just about consolidating, and would you also initiate a buy here as well?
Yes, we reiterate with our view that energy prices are actually consolidating within $95 to $100, and we would prefer to buy crude oil on any kind of dips. Herein we would like to buy September contract at 5285 with a target of 5355 and a stop loss of 5235.
All right, Hitesh, appreciate you joining us. So that's the view coming in from IFL, a buying opportunity on declines coming in for gold and crude, both of these commodities in the intraday market today. With that, it's back to you, Awan.
Manisha, thanks as always for joining in with that bit on commodities and those commodity trading strategies. But remember, you've had a host of ideas coming your way, so if you choose to take on board any positions, do remember to consult your individual financial advisor before doing so. And with that, let's thank all of our 6 technical experts for joining in. Gentlemen, as always, thanks very much for taking the time out. Okay, time for a very quick break on the show. Come right back because BNS and the stock game would be taking forth the action.